Are you aware of the legal loopholes that can protect your hard-earned assets from unforeseen financial setbacks? Whether it's lawsuits, creditors, or even potential business risks, knowing how to legally safeguard your wealth is essential. In today's world, asset protection isn't just for the rich. It's a crucial strategy for anyone who wants to secure their financial future. From establishing trusts to offshore accounts, there are multiple ways to shield your wealth, but each requires careful planning and execution. If you want to ensure that your assets remain protected, regardless of what life throws at you, keep watching. In this video, we'll reveal essential legal loopholes that could make all the difference in securing your assets and building a safe financial future. Stay tuned as we guide you through these powerful strategies that can provide peace of mind and long-term security. Establishing a trust. One of the most effective legal loopholes to protect your assets is establishing a trust, especially an irrevocable one. A trust allows you to transfer ownership of your assets to a trustee, which legally removes them from your personal estate. Once placed in an irrevocable trust, your assets are shielded from creditors and lawsuits, as they are no longer considered part of your personal assets. This offers strong protection against potential financial setbacks. The trustee, who can be a trusted family member or professional, manages your assets according to the terms set in the trust. Trusts also provide privacy, avoiding probate and keeping your financial matters confidential. Additionally, trusts can minimize estate taxes and prevent disputes over inheritance. However, setting up a trust requires careful planning. If done incorrectly, the protection it offers can be compromised. Consult with an experienced estate planner or lawyer to ensure the trust is properly set up and legally binding. Setting up an LLC or corporation. Creating a limited liability company, LLC, or corporation is one of the most common methods to protect personal assets. An LLC is a separate legal entity that protects your personal assets from business-related liabilities. For example, if your business faces lawsuits or incurs debt, only the assets owned by the LLC or corporation are at risk, not your personal savings, home, or investments. This separation of personal and business assets ensures that creditors cannot seize your personal property in case of legal disputes. Additionally, forming an LLC or corporation offers tax benefits and establishes credibility for your business. However, simply forming an LLC or corporation isn't enough to guarantee asset protection. It's essential to maintain proper documentation, such as separate business and personal finances, and comply with legal formalities. Failure to follow these procedures can lead to the piercing of the corporate veil, which may expose your personal assets to legal claims. Homestead exemption. The homestead exemption is a powerful legal tool that protects the equity in your primary residence from creditors. Many states in the U.S. offer this protection, allowing homeowners to shield a portion or all of their home's value from being seized in case of a lawsuit, bankruptcy, or other financial issues. Depending on the state, the exemption could range from a few $1,000s to several $100,000. This means that even if you face severe financial hardship or lawsuits, you can retain your home and its equity. In some states, the homestead exemption covers your entire home's value, offering robust protection. However, it's important to understand that the exemption typically only applies to your primary residence, not secondary homes, rental properties, or vacation homes. Additionally, while homestead exemptions are powerful, they do not protect against all types of debts, such as mortgage obligations or tax liens. Be sure to review the specific homestead laws in your state to ensure full protection. Family Limited Partnerships, FLPs. A family limited partnership, FLP, is a specialized entity used to protect family assets while providing an efficient way to transfer wealth to future generations. In an FLP, family members contribute assets, such as real estate, investments, or businesses, and become limited partners. The general partner, often the head of the family, retains control over how assets are managed. FLPs are beneficial because they shield family assets from creditors. If a family member faces a lawsuit or financial issue, creditors cannot seize the assets held by the FLP. The limited partners in the FLP own a share of the assets, but they do not have control over them. This makes the FLP particularly useful in asset protection, as it reduces the risk of losing significant family wealth, FLPs also offer tax benefits, as the transfer of assets can be done at a reduced tax rate, making them an efficient estate planning tool. However, FLPs require careful legal planning and documentation, as improper setup can lead to challenges. Insurance policies for asset protection. Insurance is a critical tool for protecting assets, and it extends far beyond just health and car coverage. Umbrella insurance is a form of liability coverage that provides additional protection beyond what your regular homeowners or auto insurance policy covers. It can cover legal costs, medical expenses, and damages that result from incidents where you're found liable. This extra layer of insurance can safeguard your personal assets if you face a significant lawsuit, such as an accident or a slip and fall case. Furthermore, specialized insurance products like life insurance or long-term care insurance can protect your financial future by ensuring that your wealth is passed on to beneficiaries or used to cover future health needs. Life insurance policies, for example, can act as a financial safety net for your loved ones and also protect your estate from estate taxes. However, to maximize the effectiveness of insurance as an asset protection strategy, it's important to review your policies regularly, ensuring they provide the right amount of coverage for your unique circumstances. Retirement accounts and ERISA protection. Retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and IRAs are some of the most overlooked yet powerful tools for asset protection. Under the Employee Retirement Income Security Act, ERISA, employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s are protected from creditors in the event of bankruptcy or personal lawsuits. This means that the money you have in these retirement accounts is generally off limits to creditors. This protection can be a lifesaver if you are facing financial difficulties, as it ensures your retirement savings remain secure. In contrast, traditional IRAs do not have the same level of federal protection as 401(k)s, though some states offer similar protections. Nonetheless, contributing to these retirement accounts not only provides asset protection, but also offers tax advantages, allowing your wealth to grow over time. To maximize these benefits, you should contribute the maximum allowable amount to your retirement accounts each year and make sure that they are well managed. These accounts can form a crucial part of your overall asset protection strategy. Transferring ownership of assets. One of the most effective ways to shield your assets from creditors or lawsuits is to transfer ownership to a trusted family member, business entity, or trust. By transferring assets such as real estate, vehicles, or investments to another party, you can protect them from potential legal claims. This is especially useful when you're anticipating a lawsuit or financial trouble. However, these transfers need to be done properly to avoid the risk of fraudulent conveyance, which occurs when assets are transferred with the intent to avoid creditors. If you transfer assets too close to a lawsuit or legal claim, the court may reverse the transaction and allow creditors to seize the assets. To ensure that these transfers are legitimate, it's crucial to follow proper legal procedures and timelines. Using trusts or gifting assets within legal limits can also be beneficial in protecting your wealth while minimizing tax consequences. Always consult with a legal professional when transferring ownership to ensure the transfer is valid and effective. International asset protection. For high net worth individuals or those with significant assets, international asset protection offers an additional layer of security. Some countries, like Switzerland, the Cayman Islands, and the Cook Islands, have more favorable legal frameworks that make it harder for foreign creditors to seize assets. These jurisdictions offer strong protection laws that limit the ability of creditors to enforce foreign judgments or take legal action against your assets. By establishing trusts, foundations, or corporations in these countries, you can shield your wealth from lawsuits or financial issues in your home country. However, international asset protection comes with its own complexities and legal considerations. It's essential to work with a legal expert who specializes in international law to ensure full compliance with both domestic and international regulations. Additionally, using offshore strategies to avoid taxes is illegal and can lead to severe consequences. It's important to use international asset protection ethically and legally to avoid any potential pitfalls. If you found this information helpful and are ready to take steps towards protecting your assets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more legal insights. Make sure to consult with a professional to ensure these strategies align with your personal financial goals. What strategy do you think would work best for you? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking proactive steps today can safeguard your wealth for tomorrow. Stay secure and take care.